Welcome to today's edition of Crypto Corner at InvestorIdeas.com. News on what's driving the cryptocurrency market. Hello everyone, this is Sam Mowers here. Welcome to another episode of the Crypto Corner podcast. For news today, BitDigital is expanding its Bitcoin mining into Iceland. Netcoins is launching Ethereum staking services in Canada, and DGHI has posted a quarterly update. But just before we get into the show, a quick reminder that if you enjoy this podcast, please feel free to share it or leave us a review. And as always, I recommend checking out some of the other podcasts on InvestorIdeas.com. This includes the Cannabis Podcast, the Clean Tech and Climate Change Podcast, along with many others. All of these will bring you up to speed on the latest stock news and trends in their respective spaces. All right, so BitDigital Inc., which trades on the Nasdaq under the ticker BTBT, has finalized an agreement to expand its Bitcoin mining presence into Iceland. This gives the company access to Iceland's abundant renewable energy resources, allowing it to further diversify its hosting operations. BitDigital has already settled a 2-year agreement with Greenblocks EHF for roughly 8.25 megawatts of incremental hosting capacity at a facility in Reykjanesbær, Iceland. Sam Tabar, BitDigital's CEO, comments, quote, "We are pleased to announce our partnership with Greenblocks and our entry into the Icelandic market. Our experience with Greenblocks has been exceptional, and we appreciate their professionalism in facilitating our entry into the country. This partnership aligns well with our sustainability goals and our mission to diversify our hosting portfolio across different geographies and jurisdictions. Iceland's clean energy abundance and supportive government policies provide an ideal environment for our mining operations, and we anticipate a productive and successful collaboration for years to come." End quote. Next up, BIGG Digital Assets Inc., which trades on the CSE under the ticker BIGG, has announced that its online cryptocurrency brokerage subsidiary, Netcoins, is launching staking services for Ethereum in Canada. Netcoins gained full approval to offer crypto staking services in the Canadian market on May 15th from the British Columbia Securities Commission, or BCSC. BIGG Digital Assets CEO Mark Binns said the following, quote, "Netcoins is now one of only 3 regulated crypto staking platforms in Canada, and this approval is a big step forward for our platform and future. This shows our high level of engagement with the Canadian regulators and our maturity. We have nearly 10 years of experience in the Canadian crypto industry. With staking, we look forward to welcoming new customers to the platform on the back of this substantial new offering." End quote. Lastly, for today, DigiHost Technology Inc., which trades on the NasDaq under the ticker DGHI, has posted a summary of its unaudited financial results for the period ended March 31st, 2023, and a 2023 year-to-date update on its operations. Some key highlights include revenue of $4.1 million USD from digital currency mining and the sale of energy in the quarter, the mining of approximately 168 bitcoins, and total assets of $51.9 million as of the period's end. The company also acquired roughly 1,700 high-performance Bitcoin miners during Q1 2023 and is currently self-mining at a rate of 1 exahash and hosting at 770 petahash for a total of 1.77 exahash. That does it for today's Crypto Corner. If you would like to be a guest or sponsor for this podcast, contact InvestorIdeas.com. Investor Ideas reminds all listeners to read our disclaimers and disclosures on the InvestorIdeas.com website. And this podcast is not an endorsement to buy products, services, or securities. Investors are reminded all investment involves risk and possible loss in investment. To hear more InvestorIdeas.com podcasts, please visit InvestorIdeas.com/audio. And a reminder, you can also hear our podcasts on Apple Podcasts, Audible, Spotify, TuneIn, Stitcher, Spreaker.com, iHeartRadio, Google Podcasts, and most audio platforms available. This podcast was sponsored by AppTech Payments Corp. AppTech is an innovative fintech company whose mission is to deliver a better way for businesses to provide their customers with immersive commerce experiences. For more information, visit apptechcorp.com. AppTech trades on the Nasdaq under the ticker symbol APCX.